go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube video today. Today we're gonna be trying all these sweets. We found these at a place called All Sorts of Sweets. So first we're gonna try the pickle. I really want to try this. So let's. Ooh, that's smell it.
Ooh.
Oh, it's slippery.
You have to grab a slice.
Oh, I touched the pickle juice. That is huge. That is huge. Pickle juice. Let them see it. Let them see the pickle juice.
So we got the sour dill pickle.
There was sour sis and I think spicy papa.
I remember.
Yeah. So first I'm gonna take a bite. Ooh.
Is sour?
You can grab water for this. Grab water for this.
Okay.
No, I don't want to try it. I don't want to try it.
Look at the juice.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, cool. Just have a bite.
Just a little bite.
Bite.
Bite it, not chew it.
Yeah.
Bite it. Come on. Oh. Joe, now you gotta do the pickle juice.
Okay. Try the pickle juice.
I don't want to put it in this kitty cup.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Then.
Yeah. Just sip. Shut it. Shut it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I did it.
Yeah, that's the shit.
I
What's the drink? Let's try it.
Oh, that's okay. But not that bad.
It tastes like vinegar.
It tastes a bit okay,
Okay.
but not expecting for a real pickle with no juice.
Okay, no.
Right, can I just take
Nah, I'll just.
a little pickle? Tahini.
Yeah.
Let me get some more water for this one.
Do this.
Oh no, I have enough.
Ooh, spicy. Can I use some? Oh, Joe.
Ooh, sure. On your hand.
Oh, that's cool. Ooh.
Sit down. It's your chair.
My turn.
Okay, not really spicy, but just
My turn.
it just tastes like a Taki.
Yeah.
I'm just very wet and moist. The normal then
Because the smallest
I don't-
delicious.
I really don't like normal pickles, but that one made me hate them even more.
I love pickles.
I hate them. They're just
It's
disgusting.
just, that one's too salty for me. I like it a bit spicy.
Yeah, me too. Okay, what should we try next? Takis.
Ooh, bite more.
Bite it! You're not even getting the Jewel.
No! You used like the amount I had.
Okay, next.
Okay,
So we're gonna try the
guacamole Takis. So on the back it says there's crunchy fajitas and here you go. Those are the new ones, I think. This is, yeah, I think that's how hot it's gonna be.
Oh, it's only mild. Alright.
So let's try one.
Okay. That guys.
Okay, pass me the
Ooh, it actually smells good. It actually smells good. Smell it.
pass me the-
Joe, smell. What do you mean? Okay, it's green.
Yeah.
It looks like peas. I waited all day long,
Not
and it's not even spicy.
But let me try.
Try it.
Good.
It's not even spicy yet.
Why don't you do an ASMR example? Who's the mic on
Getting
here?
spicy.
Oh wait. Let's do it.
Closer.
Come on, add some more tahini. It's not spicy a lot. And if you want to know where we get it, if you live in Cairns and here in Australia, go to Cairns Central. Next to Rebel Sports, there's this shop called All Sorts of Sweets. There's a ton of sweets.
Alright, so we should do the Pop Rocks as an AS.
Yeah. Grab yours, go. Where's the opening thing?
Sit up. Ching.
Joey, don't.
Ching.
Joey, you don't need scissors.
I got it.
It's like paper.
Wait, Brian, you know I opened it, dust came flowing through my eyes.
Lock.
Can I eat it now?
Okay. So guys, this is the
Pop.
This is the watermelon. This is the watermelon flavor. Let's try it. No.
No, last that will be the last. Sour booms.
So, okay. So it's like M&M's covered in sour and sweet stuff.
And this is like there's a sour juice inside, and you just lick it like licorice.
Jewel.
Okay, Jules' turn. Alright, 1, 2.
Hold on, I want to put this with it.
1, 2, 3, go.
It starts off like sour and then goes to sweet. But there's the flavors are lemon, orange, green apple, strawberry, and blue raspberry.
You know, before I put it, I lick this on it and then keep it there so it can be super sour, but not sour.
Okay. No.
Alright, last one is zombie chew.
Okay, we'll half it. I don't know if we can even open it. Oh, we can. Oh, come on. I hate these zombie things. These fake.
I grew up with this.
Did you love them?
Wait, let's put that. This one.
Okay, so guys, this is the zombie chew. So I'm just gonna have half of it.
No, that's enough. Why are you taking more? That's enough.
Oh, that one.
Don't like it. Too chewy.
Alright, so let's rate everything from the pickle. How about that?
No, I give it 0 out of 10.
I give it like a 7.
And the pickle juice.
1 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
And the pickles with tahini.
9 out of 10. I loved it.
9 out of 10. I didn't like
So what was your score?
it. Licorice.
No, I mean, what was your score for the pickles with tahini?
0 out of 10.
Okay, so,
I gave it a 9.
okay. And then what was the Takis?
Yeah. Takis, 10 out of 10. I love them.
9 out of 10.
Okay. And Pop Rocks.
10 out of 20.
I was like a 5.
5 out of 10. How about the Pop Rocks grape?
Oh,
What kind of grapes or watermelon?
Watermelon.
And then the
Sour beans.
sour booms
10 out of 10. I love them.
10 out of 10.
and the zombie chew.
I don't know. 4.
Okay.
6.
Alright, let's wrap it up.
So, bye guys. We'll see you in our next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.